Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about top loading washing machines error codes. So basically we are trying to find out the problem in the washing machine. If you have some error appearing in your display, even you don't have catalog or user manual. Actually it's hard to find out the meaning of the errors. For example, if you're going to search in the YouTube and you are trying to find what is the meaning of E1 error in washing machine, then this is not the right way to find, because there are many brands in the market like LG, Samsung, Mitsubishi and Panasonic, etc., and have their different models, and all those models are have different error codes. For example, the meaning of even error is like water inlet problem. The machine is not taking water inside, okay, and this is for LG washing machine. But maybe in the Samsung washing machine, even error means the water drainage problem or the door sensor problem. It could be different with different brands or different models. So today I'll guide you how to identify what is the problem in your washing machine, even you don't know the meaning of the error. For example, if there is E1 error appear in your top loading washing machine because of the washing machine is not taking water inside, water intake problem. So how to diagnose? First of all, you have to check water inlet valve. How to check? You just start the washing machine, choose any wash program and then press start button. After that, hold the inlet motor from the back side and feel it's vibrating or not, or it's humming, making humming sound or not. If it's humming or making vibration, it means the motor is running but not taking water inside. You should have to check if there is no humming. For example, it's not vibrating, not humming, so you have to unplug the washing machine and check the voltage, if there is proper voltage in the socket or not. If there is voltage okay and the motor is also humming, it means we have to go to the next point. And what is that? The next is, okay, so first what you have to do, unplug the machine, then close the water tap, remove the water inlet pipe, and then after that both of the side of this hose have a filter. So you have to check if there is kind of dust or rust, whatever, you have to clean it. So clean the hose properly and wash it. After that, check if there is water in the water tap, open little bit, or take a tub or something, put inside the tap and try to open and check the pressure, if there is water available or not. If there is low pressure, or it's normal, or it's high pressure, you have to check. If there is low pressure in the water tap, then this is also the cause of appearing error in your washing machine, because the washing machine, it take long time to fill the tub, and if it will take longer than 10 minutes, the washing machine will show you the error. So what next? You have to check there is inlet wall have a filter also inside, so you have to check that one also. Remove it, pull it out, wash it and fix it again, and then that's it. This is the first step you can check. And now we will go to the E2 error. So E2 error mostly appear for drainage. E2 error for drainage problem. For example, if your washing machine not draining water properly, so what you have to do? First of all, you have to check the voltage. Voltage is the first step you have to check. when your washing machine is not draining water. Then if the voltage is proper, then what you have to do is, fill the water like 2-3 liter in the washing machine and then run the spin program. Okay, if you choose only spin, the machine will try to drain all the water out. At this moment you will hear some sound of the drain pump, and after a minute the machine will start spinning after draining the water. If it is not draining, if you cannot hear the sound of the drain motor, it means have some problem with the drain motor. So what you can do is check the filter. Mostly the filter is, beside of the drain hose. For example, this is the place of drain hose and there is filter section also. So what you have to do is remove and check if there is something stuck inside or something. Clean it and put it back. If it's still not draining, then maybe the drain pump will be, we have to replace the drain pump, or maybe the PCB board also sometimes. So let's come on the door section. So for the door section, the error code there is E2, E3, E4, different model, different errors. So if you want to note down the error for door sensor or door section, you can just run the program spin. If it is not spinning, there will be appear error, something E1, E2 or E3, whatever. If the washing machine is spinning, while spinning you just open the door and then you will see there is some error appear in the display like E1, E2, E3, whatever. So you just note it down, so in the future you know. So the next one is UN or E4, that is for unbalance, or washing machine is sometimes shaking. So this is the problem when UN or E4 error appear in your washing machine. When your washing machine is spinning, at that moment the clothes are not spread well in all the section. For example, it's all the clothes, all the weight is on the right section or the left section, and after that it's not spin well. So that's why the UN or E4 error appear in the washing machine. If you see, what you have to do is just open the door and spread all the clothes well, and then that's it. And in the last, and this is very important, I want to share with you that most of the washing machines, the drain hose, we should have to hang up like the same height of the washing machine or like 1 meter. We have to hang the drainage hose up at the same level of the washing machine or the drum of the washing machine, the tub of the washing machine. Even if you hang the hose little bit up like 1 feet or 1.5 feet, 2 feet, and after that you run the program and the water level you selected like low, then washing machine will be work. And if you select the water level high, then you will face the problem. The inlet motor will intake water, and then at the same time water will be draining also, and then you will face the problem in your washing machine. So make it sure also. So that's it. Hope you like the video, hope you understand how to diagnose the washing machine. That's it. Bye bye, see you in the next video.